Acid reflux issues? Take control with these tips. Burning pain in your chest. Stomach bloating and discomfort. Nausea after meals. Burping which never seems to end. These are just some of the symptoms of acid reflux which can turn your life into a never-ending nightmare. Thankfully, the video below details how you can make the symptoms disappear for good. Don't overeat. Only eat until you feel sated, your stomach stops growling and ends your hunger discomfort. If you become hungry again shortly after eating, drink a glass of water instead of having a snack. When you eat too much, your stomach has trouble digesting and you may find acid reflux rears its ugly head. Acid reflux can be caused by a number of different things, not just the types of food you are eating. Look into your lifestyle too and see if you're not pushing yourself too hard, under excessive stress or otherwise need to take better care of yourself. Learn to relax, improve your diet and see if that doesn't help. After you take a bite or two, put down your fork. This ensures you are chewing fully and truly slowing down while you eat. Consider what this bite tastes like, and what was different than the last bite. Enjoy the texture of the food both when it first enters your mouth, and once you are done chewing. If you are experiencing acid reflux issues and you do not have an antacid on hand, you can use baking soda to alleviate the problem. You will start to feel relief within a few minutes of taking it. Put out the fire in your chest. Reduce your bloating. Stop the nausea for good. Use the tips and tricks you have watched here to change your life for the better. As long as you start your journey towards wellness today, you will have relief in a short matter of time. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.